Hello student, today we are learn maths. So open your maths book, okay? Open page number 5. First chapter is pre-number concepts, okay? Look at the book. Bigger and smaller. This is a bigger and this is a smaller. Elephant is bigger and rabbit is smaller. Big is the elephant. Big is the elephant, okay? Small is the rabbit. Small is the rabbit. Tick right the bigger one. So you tick in the bigger one. This is a cat and this is a mouse. Cat is a bigger and mouse is a smaller. So you tick in a cat, okay? There is two tree. This is a tree and this is a plant, okay? Tree is a bigger and plant is a smaller. So you write in a bigger. Tick right the smaller one. There is two hen. This is a big hen and this is a small hen. So you write in a small hen, okay? There is two gift. This is a big gift and this is a small gift. So you write in a small gift, okay? Color the bigger picture green and smaller picture red. There is two sheep. This is big and this is smaller. So you color in green two bigger picture, okay? And you color red in smaller picture. There is two home. This is bigger home and this is smaller home, okay? So you color green in bigger home and you color red in smaller home. There is two picture, one bus and one car, okay? So you color bus in green and red color in car, okay? Taller and shorter. Tall is the tree. Tree is the taller, okay? Shorter is the plant. Plant is the short, okay? Father is taller. His son is shorter. Father is the taller. Tick right the taller one. There is two animal. This is a taller and this is a shorter, okay? So you tick right in a taller. There is two plant. This is a taller plant and this is a shorter plant. So you tick right in a taller plant, okay? There is two bottle. This is a taller bottle and this is a shorter bottle. So you tick in right to taller bottle, okay? Next, tick right the shorter one. There is two pot, okay? This is a taller and this is a shorter. So you write tick in the shorter, okay? There is one pen and one pencil. This is a taller and this is a shorter. So you write tick in a shorter, okay? Color the taller one. There is two birds. This is a taller and this is a shorter, okay? So you color in the taller. Longer and shorter. Long is the train. Train is the long, okay? Short is the car. Car is the short. Sham's hair is shorter. Kim's hair is longer, okay? Kim's hair is longer and Sham's hair is shorter. Write L for longer and S for shorter. This is 2 spoon. This is long spoon and this is short spoon. So you write L for long spoon and S for short spoon, okay? This is 2 scissor. So you write L for longer scissor and S for shorter scissor. Write L and write S for shorter, okay? This is 2 brush. This is longer brush and this is shorter brush. So you write L for longer brush and S for shorter brush, okay? Color the animal with shorter tail. So you color in cat because cat's tail is shorter, okay? Color the longer feather. This is a longer feather and this is a shorter feather. So you color in longer feather, okay? Matching as many as equal. Equal shows that two concepts. 2. Collection. Have the same number of objects. Draw line to match the object of the two sets. Tick right if they have equal number of object. Otherwise put a cross. यहाँ देखिए 2 सेट्स दिए हुए हैं आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है जैसे यहाँ पर की गई है। अगर दोनों तरफ नंबर इक्वल हैं तो आपको राइट करना है टिक, अदरवाइज आपको क्या करना है क्रॉस। ओके, सो ड्रॉ द लाइन एंड दिस इज इक्वल, सो टिक राइट। ओके, ड्रॉ द लाइन, this is not equal, so you cross. Draw the line, this is not equal, so you cross. Draw the line, this is equal, so you put tick right. Okay, draw the line, this is equal, so you tick in right. Matching more or less, ज़्यादा और कम। टिक राइट द ग्रुप हैविंग मोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, आपको टिक करना है जहाँ पर ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट हों। यहाँ देखिए ये यहाँ 1 मोर है तो यहाँ क्या कर दिया है राइट का टिक। ओके, ड्रॉ द लाइन, देयर इज 2 मोर, सो यू राइट इन मोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स। Odd one out. In each row, cross the object which is different. आपको इनमें से जो भी डिफरेंट लगे आपको उसको क्रॉस करना है। ओके, दिस इज अ बेड, टेबल, चेयर, टेबल। ओके, सो बस इज द ऑड वन, सो यू क्रॉस द बस। ओके, या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि बस यहाँ पर इन सभी से डिफरेंट है इसलिए हम बस को क्रॉस कर देंगे। This is bird, bird, bird and bird. Okay, this is different, so you cross the different object. Okay, in a circus, ring the bigger head, this is a bigger head, so you ring the bigger head. Okay, ring the animal with shorter tail, this is a shorter tail animal. Okay, so you ring shorter tail animal. Okay, ring the smaller elephant, this is a smaller elephant, so you ring the smaller elephant. Ring the taller joker, so you ring the taller joker. Okay, cross the animal with longer tail, so monkey's tail is longer, so you cross the monkey. Okay, cross the shorter joker, this is a shorter joker, so you cross the shorter joker. Cross the smaller hat, this is a smaller hat, so you cross the smaller hat. Okay, cross the bigger elephant, this is a bigger elephant, so you cross the bigger elephant. Tick right the animal which is different, so cow is different, so you tick the different. Okay, tick the bird which is different, parrot is different, so you tick in parrot. Okay, I hope all are you understand this chapter, so thank you.